Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of crypto transfers. Specifically, we're going to talk about something I wish I knew when I first started my crypto journey. We're going to learn how to transfer TRC20 USDT from OKX to Binance step by step, nice and easy. So, let's get started. First things first, let's understand what TRC20 USDT is. TRC20 USDT is a type of tether, which is a stablecoin. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies that are pegged to a stable asset, like the US dollar. This means that 1 USDT is always equal to 1 USD, making it a reliable store of value in the volatile world of crypto. TRC20 USDT specifically lives on the Tron blockchain, which is known for its high speed and low transaction fees. Think of it like digital dollars that you can send quickly and cheaply across the globe. But before we dive into the transfer process, there's something crucial you need to know. Now listen up. Keep your recovery phrase safe and sound. Your recovery phrase is like the key to your digital piggy bank. If you lose it, you might not get your crypto back. So, always keep it in a safe place and never share it with anyone. Alright, now that we've got that covered, let's move on to the actual transfer process. So what are we doing today? We're moving our TRC20 USDT from OKX over to Binance. Let's do it. Step 1, log into your OKX account. Once you're logged in, go to the Assets section and find your USDT. This is where all your funds are listed. Step 2, click Withdraw. This will take you to the withdrawal page where you can choose the network. Make sure to choose TRC20 as the network. This is crucial because choosing the wrong network can result in lost funds. Now pop over to your Binance account and copy your USDT deposit address. This is where your funds will be sent. Step 3. Paste that Binance address back into the OKX withdrawal page. Double check to make sure it's correct. Put in how much you want to send. You can choose to send all your USDT or just a portion of it. Double check everything is right and hit confirm. This is your last chance to make sure all the details are correct. Lastly, you might need your recovery phrase to OK the transaction. This is an extra layer of security to protect your funds. And that's it. Bob's your uncle. Your TRC20 USDT should be whizzing its way to Binance. Easy peasy, right? Don't panic. Just keep on cryptoing. If this helped you out, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips. Cheers. Remember, the world of crypto can be a bit daunting at first, but with the right guidance, it becomes a lot easier. So keep learning, stay safe, and happy trading. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. We're here to help you navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.